Anton Eusebio to come off the bench and lead the second unit. First quarter is officially here. Game is underway. Laban ng Perpetual kontra Benilde here in Perpetual to begin this contest.
Pero kung titignan mo, pareha silang hindi makashoot dahil sa ganda ng depensa nila sa isa't isa.
Ito, tignan natin. Tony Inot releases. Still misfiring. And Liwag hustling for the ball. And he puts it back in. He's showing out here in the NCAA Seniors Division. Ancheta, of course, is a transferee from CEU. Itong si Marco Cruz was a part of a Junior Altos team that went to the finals just a few months ago, kalaban ng Letran Squires. And speaking of Goho Cruz, here he is leading the break. Sean Orgo on the finish, but a beautiful setup job by MGC.
Martin, napakaganda nung sinabi ni Micaela kanina about dun sa rookies na trying to create a name for themselves. And syempre, alam natin na si Coach Olsen, naging napakagaling na guardian sa professional basketball. And isang sign yun na And kung titingnan mo, Martin, ulit-ulit nila siyang hinahanap on offense to try and get his rhythm as early as this first quarter. Pero sobrang patient niya. Hinahanap niya pa rin yung mga teammates niya to get those open shots kasi nakukuha niya talaga yung defense na attract niya.
Yeah, it's like a vortex here. Oh, that's a good move down the middle for Jomel and Chet. Both teams both are very good offensive rebounding teams, I should say, as Liwag shows us the sidestep.
Napakaganda ng sidestep na yon. Very finesse. And again, yan nag-uumpisa yung rhythm niya.
But a move from the 6'6" Allen Liwag. 12-8 lead for Benilde, and it's a domino effect for Perpetual. Offensive foul on the screen right there. Coach O doesn't like it. Eto, Hope. Ginawang cone itong si Helsano.
Kasasabi ko lang kanina kung gano'n siya ka-patient.
Nakakuha ko na yung rhythm ko. Extra pass to the corner. Boral backs up and drains the triple.
And may mga players na gano'n talaga. Kapag hindi ka nagkaroon ng magandang umpisa, magsa-struggle ka talaga sa game. Pero pag naman nagkaroon ka ng napakagandang start, ramdam na ramdam mo yung init ng player na buong game, talagang siya mismo yung gagawa.
That's right. Both teams alternating baskets. Gabi Cometa is on the move. What a pass. Sanchez on the finish. Justin Sanchez will give Benilde their first double-digit advantage, 23-13. This was I would call that a step-back three by JP Boral. Pero pinawi agad-agad sa kabila. Cap Cometa finding Justin Sanchez, who now leads the Blazers with 6 points. Instant offense. Thank you so much, Micaela Mindanao, with a report from the Perpetual Altas. And you know, they can't let this one slip away. Dahil pinakita na nila sa atin na capable itong team na to hang around with the best of the best. But Justin Sanchez is starting to create a separation for Benilde. 8 puntos na para kay Sanchez sa first half.
Sinabi ko sa iyo kanina na may mga klase ng player na pag nag-init sa umpisa, tuloy-tuloy na yan. And I think Sanchez is one of those players.
Ito na. This time he saves it to Jomel Ancheta. They swing it to Inot. Tony, who is back on the floor. Pull-up three. Kaboom! Tony Inot with a confident-looking shot right there. 7 points now for Tony, and all of a sudden, it's a 15-point lead for the Blazers.
Pinag-usapan natin kanina yung percentage ng bawat team pagdating sa mga ganyang bagay. And I think lumalabas na yung pagiging aggressive ng Benilde nung first quarter sa tira nila sa labas. Kasi ngayon, unti-unti na nilang nakukuha yung percentage na yun dun sa labas.
Ito muna yung kanaw ni Justin Sanchez. Pero ito si Tony Inot, backing up and pulling up for the triple. That's what changed for Tony this year. Dati yun, ipinapasa pa niya.
Yes.
Pero this season, meron siyang mga gano'n na, sige, I'll take it one-on-one. I'll take my shot from here, off the dribble.
Alam mo, isa sa mga napansin ko sa mga players ngayon is sobrang sipag nila when it comes to skill work. And
si Liwag. Jomel Ancheta. Ancheta. Kabam! Ancheta, his turn to light it up. 7 points off the bench. Instant offense as well. Itong si Jomel Ancheta. Leaner will not work for Goho Cruz. Matthew Oli collects it. Ancheta is on the move.
Oh!
Ancheta got away.
Wow!
It was the ball fake.
Alam mo yung term na magic bunot? Oh, yan yung mga klase ng player na pag binunot mo, bigla na lang puputok yung laro.
Jomel Ancheta now with 9 points. We have to look at that play again. Face-up jumper is made by John Addis. Meantime, 5.5 to go. Eusebio, this time from the top of the key. No. Another offensive board and put back. Sanchez putting it in. Under a minute to go. Goho Cruz will take off.
Hindi lang na shoot, pero offensive rebound.
Yun.
Kinaliwa.
Finally for Perpetual, that's Eman Pizarro. And Cometa with a pass inside. Serrano off the bank. And one for Edson Serrano, who has been giving Benilde some quality minutes.
Kung bakit siya nilabas nung medyo late ng second quarter is para makaiwas ng foul.
Yeah.
And him getting that third foul as early as this.
Oh, Torres finally drops it in from the corner.
Kailangan niya iwangatan ngayon yung depensa niya na hindi siya matawagan.
Alan Liwag tracks it down. Morales, Torres, all day.
Wow!
57-33. The Blazers have blown this thing wide open. All day. Wala pa rin. And here comes Sanchez. Nagmamadali papunta sa kabila. 6 minutes gone in the third. Inot, extra pass to the corner. Morales. Nang ibang pupuntahan si Coach Olsen pagdating sa kanyang front line. Manuel got away. That's a nice play by the Altas.
Ganda ng pagka-setup nila doon. Napaka-patient ng big man na kumuha ng bola sa ibabaw. And after setting that back screen, yung cut na napakabilis what got him open. And siyempre, napakaganda rin ng back screen na binigay sa kanya to set him up.
At Cometa calling the shots. Ancheta fakes. Balik kay Cometa. Eusebio will take it from the left.
Yan yung
Nothing
mga
but net for Anton.
Yan yung mga klase ng tira na hinahanap ng zone defense, yung tira sa labas. Pero ang pinaka-okay na i-hope mo na lang doon is talaga dapat ma-mintis nila. But Benilde Blazers still making it.
Yeah. Uy! Cometa fouling Pagaran, but Antonio Eusebio in the previous play. Tingnan muna natin ito, magandang play kanina ni Pizarro at ni Manuel, pero sa kabila, good ball movement for the Blazers. Orgo now. Didiskarte. Boral off the handoff. Boral. Yes, he gets the roll.
Doon pa lang makikita mo na nagsastruggle talaga sila buong game. Ando doon sila in terms of doon sa number of possessions na meron yung Benilde. Hindi lang nila ma-convert.
Goho Cruz also with 9 points. Nakita mo yung emosyon na nilabas ni Goho Cruz pag-sprint niya sa kabila. You know, almost a big sigh of relief for him to finally knock down a jumper.
Oh yes, this has been a long morning for them.
He is 2 out of 14 from the field, if you guys are wondering. Matthew Oli misfires and Perpetual gets it back. So a platoon of players coming in for Coach Charles. Ito yung galaw ni JP Boral kanina. While Mark Goho Cruz this time One dribble inside, blowing by Ondoa and nailing the pull-up.
Summer, bago this season, kung sino yung mga nakaka-tune up nila, kung sino yung nakakasama nila sa practice, makikita mo talaga na yung possible na growth na na-achieve nila, napakalaki compared dun sa last year nila. May mga players na nawala, pero yung mga players na naiwan, yung naging preparation nila para this year's season, napakaganda.
That's right. Gabi Cometa, or Cometa rather. This guy is the mid-range master. 25-point lead for Benilde. Javier. No, that's a difficult take. Benilde is still playing, but they probably run the clock. Nope, sabi ni Cometa, I still got it in me. Draining the jumper from inside the arc. Adding salt to the wound.
Alam mo, Martin, normally, yung ganyan kalaki na may ganong shot clock, hindi na nila tinitira yun.
Correct.
And I saw Coach Charles. Coach Charles telling them na to calm down and just hold the ball.
Yeah, because they got this one in the bag already. Sevilla, 0.6 left. And that's all she wrote in this ball game. It's another dominating performance for the Benilde Blazers. They beat Perpetual by 27 points to remain undefeated, to remain perfect in NCAA Season 100 basketball.
They came out ready and then they got the dub. 4-0. Wow. Ang laki pa ng lamang.
Benilde just showed us why they are a force to be reckoned with dito sa NCAA Season 100. And kumbaga, sabi siguro nila, the hype is real. Our recruits are legit and this team is legit. Now let's go to their school hymn.